Hello, AI enthusiasts. Welcome to a new deep dive. Building on our previous talk about boosting, we now turn to the mystery of why models make the choices they do. Most videos on interpretability show you complex math, but skip the fundamental story of trust. In this video, we want to show something different, the literal machinery inside the glass box that turns raw data into human-readable logic. We are moving beyond just getting a correct answer to understanding exactly how that answer was manufactured. Imagine a bank using a highly accurate model to deny a loan. If the model is a black box, the banker cannot explain why. This lack of transparency creates a massive gap between technical performance and human trust. Without interpretability, we face a trust gap where we have the results but no way to verify the logic. This is not just a technical hurdle, it is a fundamental issue of accountability in high-stakes decisions like healthcare, finance, and law. Now, contrast that opaque wall with a glass box. Inside, we see the internal gears of the decision-making process. Each gear represents a specific feature, like your annual income or your credit history. When the machine produces a result, we can watch which gears turn the most to drive that outcome. This transparency transforms a mysterious prediction into a visible, mechanical process where every movement has a clear and logical cause. Interpretability allows us to measure feature importance. Think of it as weighing the influence of different inputs. If the income gear is spinning rapidly while the debt gear barely moves, we know the model is prioritizing earnings over existing loans. By visualizing these weights, we can confirm if the model is focusing on the right information, or if it is being distracted by irrelevant noise in the dataset. Transparency is the ultimate debugging tool. Suppose our glass box shows a gear for zip codes spinning much faster than it should. This reveals a potential bias, where the model might be discriminating based on location rather than merit. Because we can see the gears, we can catch these errors before they cause real-world harm. We are no longer just fixing the output. We are identifying and repairing the broken internal logic. Ultimately, interpretability is about keeping humans in the loop. When a model provides a reason for its decision, a human expert can audit that reasoning. This creates a partnership where the machine handles the heavy data processing, while the human ensures the logic remains fair and ethical. It transforms artificial intelligence from a cold, silent oracle into a collaborative and explainable partner in our decision-making process. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, the demand for clarity will only grow. We have seen how moving from an opaque black box to a transparent glass box fosters trust and allows for vital debugging. By prioritizing interpretability, we ensure that our models are not just powerful, but also responsible. Thank you for exploring the internal machinery of AI with us. Let us continue building a future where technology is as clear as it is capable. Subscribe for more clear explanations of how complex models think.